Hi folks, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to fit my new inline filter. And you're probably going to say, well, why didn't you fit it when you were putting the tank in the other day? Simple reason, it wasn't here. We didn't have it, this was ordered. I'll show you the original one we had, and this is the one which someone trod on. Can you see that? Smashed it. I came in the garage a couple of hours later and there was diesel everywhere, and they knew they smashed it but thought, well, it doesn't matter. And I said, didn't you think of just picking it up and just putting it higher than what the tank is and it stopped leaking? No. So this is why I'm fitting it to the wall. It's come today, and there's another reason why I'm putting an inline filter in. If I can show you the old tank, so I'm going to tip your heads up in a minute, so let's have a look. There we go. I don't know if you can see any of that. You probably can't. No. From that angle, see that, the dark stuff? That is sludge and slush and whatever. And that's why I'm putting the filter in as well. Okay. Put you back down steady. I've pre-marked the holes, as you can probably see them. There's two there. So I'll get drilling. Right, I think that moved a bit, so I'm going to mark it again with the other one. There you go. Okay, so I've got a spare piece of rubber tube this end. Slide him on. And I'll put a clip on that one. I've got a spare clip here. I'm wearing the gloves because we're going to have tea in a bit, and I've just cooked a nice piece of pork. And the last thing I want is diesel fingers, and it stinks. And you know what diesel smells like? Right. I'll just get him on nice and tight. So, next thing to do, another clip on. And we're going to do a bit of a swap out. So I'm going to take that out of here, into there, and this straight onto that. Hopefully without too much diesel in when I got these gloves down. Okay. So if I undo this one first and pull that pipe out and push it in, we shouldn't have any leaks that I know of. We should just get a trickle out of this one. And what we'll do, put it straight in. If it comes out. Ooh. Little bit of a drizzle, but nothing out of this one. Push him on there. Push him on there. Smidgen, and you can see the filter filling up now. It's brilliant, brilliant. Right, okay, let's screw this up nice and tight. Not too tight. We're not going to crimp it to the point where it can't. It crimps the pipe itself, but just enough so it's just biting. So I also have my hands in the way. I was hoping to, I might put a clip on the wall, to be honest with you. I've got a clip, so I'll clip that to the wall just to keep it tidy out of the way so no one kicks it or breaks it, hopefully. I better take my coat off because even though you've been around diesel, it stinks, doesn't it? I keep saying that, don't I? Right, that should be enough. That's enough. We're done. Alright. I'll pop, see if make sure we don't get any leaks. That's a bleed at the bottom. There we go. That's fine. That's it, I think. Just take the glove off, put it in. Get the remote control, unlock. Oh, I've got a power. I've got a separate isolating switch. Right, we'll just fire that up. Make sure she's pumping diesel through. I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, filter's filled up. You don't want to squash this too much because you don't want to damage the pipe. So make sure you try and get it in as level as possible. Oh, a bit awkward this is. And we're done. Okay, clip on the wall, clip on the wall. I put a bigger one, it's much easier. There we go. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like. There's a new subscribe button in the corner on the right. Take care and we'll catch you in the next vid.